Check out this all-in-one articulating borescope from Anykit that they did send to me for my review. The opinions are my own in this video, and it is all one piece. Super easy to use, got the included screen, 1080p, 3.5 hour battery, adjustable lighting, very thin tip. Look at that, articulates so you can see into tight places, hard to reach places, 6.5 foot cable, so plenty long for most challenges. And no, this is not just for professionals, it's for DIYers, even people that you might lose jewelry down the drain. You might have something that falls behind a heavy piece of furniture that you need to peer around and see where it's at. You might need to take a look in your attic. You might need to take a look in your walls without cutting away the drywall. There are multiple uses for this, and it's fun to use, super easy to use. I mean, check it out, this joystick feature, just a lot of fun to play around with that. Not only that, this will take photos and video, and Anykit has included an SD card, so you don't have to buy that separately. You also have the USB-C port for charging it and for transferring it to your device so that you can have that footage, whether you need to show a professional or for showing a friend or for your own records. And so I want to try this out in a few different places, so keep watching so that you can see my experience with this in a few different scenarios that may relate to your reality. But this is a tool that I highly recommend, and so let's go check it out, see how it works. So when I'm working on my car and there's areas in the engine that I just cannot see, even with my phone, tight places, check this out. You know, I come down here and just look at the detail. Yeah, you can see just how dirty this engine is. Just the detail is amazing. And then the articulating feature of this. So let's say I had to check a connector or wires, even go further down. So this is an example of an area that I'd never be able to see with a phone, with a, I would have to take part of the engine apart to even get down in here. So there's just so many benefits of using this. Let's say I want to take a look underneath the engine. And you can tell there is a oil leak somewhere around here. And let's say we wanted to see where the oil came from. That's where this articulating part comes in really handy. We go down a little more and you can really see, I would have never known that oil was there. And so this really helped me to spot that. Here's a drain I want to check, this sink drain. So I want to make sure that this is on the video setting, which it is. And then there's this button on the back that you want to push to start the video recording, and there'll be a little red number there showing that it's recording. So lights on. Let's check this out and see what's down this drain. And this is completely waterproof. So I'm completely underwater right now. And so far, oh, look at this. Check it out. That's an area that I'm going to have to work on cleaning out. Looks like a lot of buildup. So you would never just be able to see this otherwise. That buildup on the drain like that, which is going to cause it to get slower and slower. So yeah, having this camera is a total game changer when it comes to checking plumbing. I've had this scope on for over 2 hours and the battery is still completely full. This is how it was sent to me. I haven't even charged it. So it lasts a long time. So one other aspect of this is just how small and thin this is. Check this out. I can go right into this drain and take a look around to see if there's anything that I need to do to clean this out. And with this articulation, it enables me to look into the drain to see, and it looks like there is a lot in here that has to be cleaned out. There's an area under my floor that I know that I can access through this vent, but there's just no way for me to easily access that and be able to see down there, even if I were to put my phone in. So let's see what we can find through here. As you can see, I'm able to see a lot of what's going on underneath the floor. So I can check out various aspects of what's under here, and you can just see the detail of the video. Just shows a lot of detail, and I can see into that cavity there. So this would just be so much work if I had to cut away the wall to look, when I can just take this in a matter of a couple of minutes and get a look around and see if I see anything that looks out of place or wrong. We have a really long dresser in our room, and it's a real pain to pull out. So let me take a look behind it, because I think we may have dropped something back there. So let's see what we can find. And as I go down with the scope, okay, so we got a clear view of the floor. If I use the articulator, I can actually look all the way back, both sides of the dresser behind it, to see if I see anything. I can move it a little bit along the side there. And with the articulation, I just get that horizontal view that you just can't get if it didn't do that, which is just amazing to have that ability. Oh, look at that. There's actually a plug that is not plugged in. I need to look into that. So let's look the other way. And you're actually seeing the cable. It's articulating all the way back to its own cable. But aside from some dust, looks like there is nothing back there. Another great use for this would be like if you wanted to check your gutters. This enables you to see if your gutters are clogged, how much debris they have in them, and then if you wanted to go down, like even go down your downspout, which I've never done this before, but it gives you a sense of whether your downspout is clogged. Gives you a great view of that you'd otherwise never be able to see. Or if you have like underground drainage, taking a look at in those pipes, looks like my downspout is clear. You can see that. I mean, what a great view going down, and then you can see the sides. You can see where my downspout is dented down there. But just so many uses for this. So if you have a tank that you need to look into, like we have, we use heating oil in the winter, and so I'm going to look down in this tank for the first time. Let's see what we can see. Let's see how far down this goes. And I've never really looked inside this tank before. So we're inside the tank looking back up. Oh, that's the reflection off the oil. That's crazy. So it's not quite bright enough to see the entire tank, but I love how you can see the opening here. That's pretty cool. But it gives me some sense of how much oil might be in the tank. So this is a tool that I highly recommend, one that should be in everybody's toolkit, whether you're a DIYer, whether you're a professional, whether you're just somebody who just wants to be able to find things in hard places. So many uses for this, so I highly recommend it.